Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to open some packs in Modern Combat. And today, this is the first video that we use microphone. And let's go. Okay, there are three kinds of packs in Modern Combat. There are some combat packs, some weapon packs, and some armor packs. So we are going to open 10 packs from combat packs. Let's go. Number one, hopefully we get something good, some bottle of weapons. Uh, let's just reveal all of them. Oh, we have something really good here. We have a part of snipers and something like that. We have the skin of a weapon combo. That's really beautiful. And we have get some good stuff. Let's go to the next pack. Okay, maybe this pack, the second pack, will be a good pack. Also, hopefully, let's do this. Just reveal all of them. Oh, this is amazing. Wow, these packs are really nice. I like them. These are these packs are really nice. They they would never be like this again. I think it's just because I made a video and they are too nice. Wow, I get another skin that's really good and cool. Let's go. Ooh. Just reveal all of them. Wow, these packs are amazing. Next pack. Hopefully also some good stuff. Okay, reveal all of them. Gone. Yeah, nice. We have some good stuff here, some part of weapons and weapon part for pistol and some diamonds. Okay, next pack. Just reveal all of them. Wow, we made 3 weapons. Nice. 1, 2. Oh, it's just 2. Ah. Okay, next pack. Hopefully something good. Yeah, I like those. These skins are amazing. I'm kind of player that always play with skins, so it's really important to me to be different from other players. And for some players, it's just portrait weapons uh, important. But this combo packs give you both of them, and the armor packs gives you just skins, and the uh, weapon packs give you just some weapons. So combo packs are really nice if you have chance. Okay, that was also cool. Let's go to the next one. The last two. It would be amazing. Okay, boys. Wow, I love this. I love this skin for my weapons. That's really cool. Wow. We got some gems, so later we can buy something different. Some parts of weapons from Black Mark. Get and the last pack. One. Wow, that's one of important things that you can get in a combat packs. Then you can upgrade your brave points. That's really important. And just reveal all of them. Okay, that's a nice weapon. It's also we have some weapon trains, weapon part, and upgrade knives. Guys, that was it. Thank you. And if you enjoyed it, and if you want more videos, please just comment down below and like this video and subscribe. Peace.